How to find someone you played with on Roblox. If you want to reconnect with someone you played with on Roblox but you didn't friend them, follow these steps. First, open up Roblox and log in. Check your recent activity, go to the Roblox homepage, tap the three dots and then select activity. Scroll through the recent games to find the game you played with the person. Visit the game's page, click on the game title you were playing when you interacted with the person. On the game's page, go down to see players list. Look at the players list on the game page, look for the players section. You'll see a list of everyone currently playing or who has recently played the game. You may find the player's username here. Then you use the Roblox search if you still can't find the person. Use Roblox search, type their username if you remember it in the search bar. If you don't, try searching for terms related to the game you played. If the player added you as a friend, they may also be added to your friends page. This is optional, but if you met the person in a group, visit the group's page and check the list of members. If you can't find them, you can also check community forums or social media where Roblox players might connect. If this video helps you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.